Hello there. This is essentially episode 2 of going through the Rustling's exercises. And so what we've got here today is exercise 00 intro 2. So we can see that there's an error, cannot find macro print line in this scope, pointing to exercises 00 intro 2 rs. And it says a macro with a similar name exists, println, where the actual code we've got here is print line bang hello world, or what's going to be usually called print line macro. So macro rules print line similarly named, println defined here in, what is that? That is in Rust library standard source macros.rs. Could not compile exercises bin intro due to one previous error. Okay, so that's our information from the compiler telling us that something doesn't work. Inside of the example file, we've got a main function, and inside of it, it says to do, fix the code to print hello world, and currently it says print line bang hello world with semicolon. So it's not a semicolon trick, which is usually one of the things that people like to ask questions on, but that's not it. No, instead, it's that we've actually got a misspelling of print line macro. I think that in a hypothetical, this spelling, print line, is reasonable, but it's not actually what the correct answer is. Instead, in Rust, it's println, or what's an initialism for print line macro. The bang there is telling us it's a macro and not just any command. So that's, honest to goodness, pretty straightforward, isn't it? We just need to replace it with the correct macro name, and with Rustling's constantly checking for the answer when we saved the file, you can now see that it prints in the output on the left-hand side, hello world, exercise done. Solution for comparison is in solutions 00 intro rs. So we might as well take a quick gander at that. So let's take a look at solutions 00 and intro, yeah, and intro 2.rs. So that's pretty much the same thing that they've said here, right? Use println macro instead of println macro, hello world. Our solution's essentially the same. That may not always be the case for, the future coding problems that they give, where either that, we're here learning what the best ways to do this looks like, but trying it out ourselves, we may come up with stuff that's not as good. This one, there really wasn't that many choices, so there's not much that can go wrong in this example, but still, I actually at first thought this exercise was kind of silly until I thought about, what, the previous spelling, the wrong one, is not an unreasonable spelling. Like if somebody said that's what it is in Rust, I'd be like, yeah, fair enough, that's what it is. But it's not. It's just println, or what's usually said in brief terms as print line macro. Okay, that's enough about print line macro. I think we can move on to the next exercise. I'll see you in the next video, and have a great day. Take care.